I was going to show that to you too. So you're going to see it again.
We're going to see it. You know what? It was so good. We want to show it to you twice.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day out too, man.
It sure is. Gorgeous out there. And we're going to be looking at actually some pretty nice weather, not only today, but over the next several days. Not much of a change in this pattern shaping up here. As we take a look at the frost advisory that goes into effect tonight from 2 to 9 Thursday for Cattaraugus, Allegheny County, down through McKean and Potter counties. And you know, even though we have this frost advisory just in effect for these areas, it is possible that even across portions of Chautauqua, maybe southern Erie into Wyoming County, outside of the advisory area, there might be a little bit of patchy frost. So be prepared for that. If you have the tender plants outside, cover them up or bring them indoors, at least for the overnight. Let's take a look at the temps across the area earlier this morning. It sure was a cool start to the day, but you may be able to knock off about 10 degrees off these readings by tomorrow morning. Low temp at the Buffalo Airport down to 45, 44 at Wellsville, 45 down there at Jamestown. Taking a look at that shot again coming in from Nicole in Wyoming County. Just a beautiful start to the day. Tomorrow morning, I'm not anticipating any cloud cover, and that will aid in the cooling that we have anticipated for tonight. Just a perfect setup for what we call radiational cooling. Any of the warmth that builds up in the atmosphere during the day just re-radiates back into space under those clear skies. Amherst Dent Building webcam looking southeastward toward the village of Williamsville. Just a few high clouds working down across the Niagara frontier right now, but we are going to be looking at plenty of sunshine out there, at least for this Wednesday afternoon. That's the case on the Super Microcast. You can see a few of those clouds drifting through the picture here. Then we get into the nighttime with clear skies, cool conditions for the overnight. That frost possible, at least inland areas from the lakeshore. And then tomorrow, full sunshine on tap for Thursday. Now, again, tomorrow night, we may have a setup for a little bit of patchy frost maybe in some of the inland valleys, so I wouldn't totally discount it again tomorrow night. As we work our way toward Friday, the sunshine prevails, and especially heading into the weekend, we start to get into a southerly wind flow, and that southerly wind flow will warm things up even more so, significantly so, as we get into the weekend with readings well into the 70s, maybe even some upper 70s in time for that Bills game Sunday afternoon. Checking out the temps at noontime. We're not doing too badly out there as of today. 63 degrees at the Buffalo Airport. Similar readings in some of the suburban areas as of noontime, Tonawanda and over toward Amherst and down through Cheektowaga, West Seneca, and Hamburg. 63 at Niagara Falls right now. We have a 61 down there at Jamestown, Bradford, and also at Wellsville, just a tad cooler down to the south, but everybody pretty close in range, even right up into southern Ontario there at Toronto. Checking out the sunset time, that's coming up at 6:48 tonight. And the forecast details for the rest of this Wednesday. We're going to be looking at mostly sunny skies out there and pleasant temperatures. The high temp this afternoon, 63 to 66. For the overnight, clear, moonlit skies, inland frost, down to 34 in the deeper valleys to about 41 in the city. Then tomorrow, more sunshine, in fact, bright sunshine. High temperatures, maybe a tad cooler than today, though. Metro northward, low 60s, mid 60s, closer to the Pennsylvania line. We'll wrap up the week on Friday with more sunshine. Readings edge into the low 70s. And look at these readings this weekend. Fall Festival down in Ellicottville this weekend, too, and an Arts and Crafts Festival over at Letchworth State Park. And the weather's just going to be gorgeous for that. 76 on Saturday, 78 on Sunday. Let's hit the beach.
Oktoberfest.
Yeah.
Ellicottville, right?
Lots of stuff going on.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
I'll see you.